Amara, I will give you one chance to walk away from my son. I don't understand. You will understand when you see what's inside.
Mom, what are you doing?
David, stay out of this. Stop. Stop. You stay away from him. I can't. And if I refuse, then you will discover what happens when you cross my family.
Have you been looking for a way to learn AI video generation like a 5-year-old child? Now let me take you through on how to produce a AI video from the scratch to the end like 5-year-old child. Now follow me. This one you just watched and the one that just generated it. So follow me. I will show you everything from the beginning to the end in this video. Like, share and subscribe. To generate this AI video, we need a story. Now let me show you how to get your story using ChatGPT. Now type this prompt in ChatGPT. I want to develop AI interesting story. The story is about how the man, despite from wealthy home, fall in love with a beautiful girl from a poor home, not knowing that the girl just pretend to come from poor home just to find true love. So I said I need you to start with a hook opening scene where the very wealthy Nigeria beautiful coffee mother came to give serious warning to the fiance of his son to leave her son alone or she face the consequence. Now this is how to describe what you want to ChatGPT. Just give it an idea and it will give you a full script. The important thing in this prompt is that you must always add this to your story idea so as to get a better movie. I want the video to have high quality and cinematic standard. I want the size in 16:9. That's for YouTube. Then you can use Facebook, you can use TikTok. I want each character to speak at one time. When one character is speaking, the other character should be quiet. Please maintain face consistency in every scene and let it be full of suspense and emotional. Give me camera direction movement in every angle. I want it high quality and very professional. Now ChatGPT has turned my idea to a story and it has written it scene by scene. Now let me show you now. If you notice here, you will notice that the first thing that ChatGPT first gave us is the main characters. We call them reference images. Those reference images are the one that we usually use when creating our scene by scene image, and the reason why we do that is for consistency purposes. Now it gave us the first character, reference character, which is Amara Eze. The second one is David Williams. The third one, Victoria Williams. Now Mr. Daniel, before it started giving us scene by scene image. Now, the reference image are the first set of image that we will generate. Now, ChatGPT are giving us scene by scene scripts. This is scene 1, and it gave us the opening hook that you will need in the beginning of your video. Now it gave us the image prompt that we need to generate our images. For scene 2, it gave us the dialogue too. It gave us image prompts. So it has written all the scripts scene by scene for us. Everything we need to generate our video has been given scene by scene. Now let us go and generate our reference images now. They are the first set of images that we need to generate. Now come to ChatGPT to copy the first image, our reference image, which is Mr. David Williams, so that we can generate it. Now I've copied the image of our first reference image, which is the husband, the groom, the husband. So I will go to generate our image. Just go to your Flow AI, go to your browser, type Flow AI, then click on the first link. Then you will sign up if you have not signed up before. Then after signing up, you'll be able to log in. Then click on new project. Then it will take you to the interface of Flow AI. Now make sure you set your aspect ratio. Maybe you are using for YouTube 16:9. Then change it to image instead of video. I've changed it to image. Now let me paste my prompts. So I usually like to generate like two images, so I can take the one I like. So I put it 2 times. So as I'm pasting this prompt now, it will generate 2 images for me. So that I can take the one I like. Now that I've pasted that prompt, now let me press the arrow to generate our images. Now the image of the first reference character have started generating. So I will go for the first one because it doesn't have any other person behind him. So I will click on it like this, then click on this arrow, then click on original size, which is 1K. Now it has started downloading. Now it has saved on my phone. Now I will come to ChatGPT again to copy the prompt, the image prompt of the second character, which is the mother of that guy that we just made. Then I will go back to Flow AI, then paste that prompt again, then click on send. Now wait for it to generate. Now it has generated the image for us. So I will prefer the first one. Then I click on it, then click on the arrow below, then download it. After it's downloaded, then save it on your phone. Now this is our reference images. Now this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4. These are the main characters. Now it is these images, these reference images, that we will use in generating our scene by scene images, so we can have something that is consistent. Now let us go and generate our scene by scene images. Now to generate our image for scene 1, what you first need is to know people in that scene. Now this is our image prompt. This is our image prompt, right? Now go to the dialog for scene 1. I want to show you something now. This is the dialogue for scene 1 now. Inside the dialogue, you can see that we have Victoria, Amara, and we have David. So there are 3 people in this dialogue for scene 1. Definitely there will be 3 people inside that image you want to generate. So this thing will help you to generate your image. So by the time we are generating this image for scene 1 now, then we are going to add the image of Victoria, the image of David and Amara, which we generated first as reference image. All these things help us to have an accurate image. Now let me show you what I'm saying now. This is what I'm trying to explain now. Let us copy the image prompt. This is the image prompt for scene 1. So we've copied it. Then let's head over to Flow AI. Now this is platform of Flow AI. Then paste it. Don't forget to set your aspect ratio. So I've set my aspect ratio to YouTube. So now click this plus sign, click it. Then click this arrow up, then photo. Then it will open your gallery now. So we'll select the photo. This is the photo of the Amara. This photo of the mother, this photo of David. Now we add it. Now it is adding. It has uploaded now. Let us click it one by one. Click this one first. Now it is here. Click the plus sign again. Then click the second one. It is here. Then click this plus sign again. Click the third one. Now it is here. Now you can see now there are 3 people in the first scene. Now we have uploaded their picture. Then we have copied the prompts. Now the next thing is to press this arrow now to generate our image. So if you do this, if you follow this step, you can never go wrong in your image generation. Now let's click it now. I set the image generation to 2. So it will be able to give me 2 different images, so I can select the one I like. That is one thing about Google Flow. That's why people like it. Then click it now. It has started generating now. Let us wait. It has generated our images now. Then I'll prefer the number one. Let me click on it. Click that arrow, this arrow you're looking up, click it. Then original size, you can do 1K, you can do 2K. I prefer 1K. Then it is downloading already. Then click on save. Now we have been able to generate the first image for scene 1. Now let's go to the second one now. We want to generate the image of the scene 2 now. Like we did earlier, so first let us look at the dialogue. So inside this dialogue, we have David, we have Amara. So there are just two people here. So let us go to the image prompt. This is the image prompt. Then let us copy it. Then we hit over to Flow AI. Let us paste it now. Now let me paste it. Now click on the plus sign to add the image of the two people. This is the David now. So you don't need to upload again since we've uploaded it. So you just click it now. Now David has added. Click the plus sign again. Then this Amara. Now she has been added. Then just click the arrow. Now it has started generating. Like I said earlier, it is very easy. Once you get the logic, it is very simple. Now our image has started generating. Now let us wait a little bit. Our image has been generated, so it gave us two images like we set it earlier. So let me go for the first one. I click on the first one, then I click on the arrow 1K original size to download it. Now save it on my phone now. Now this is where you need more attention because we will be generating our video now. Now to generate your video, you don't just copy your prompt from ChatGPT then to your video generator directly. Just get it somewhere inside your phone. You can use your notes. There is always notes on your phone. First of all, copy that prompt inside that notes first and edit it before you copy to your AI video generator. Now, let me show you what I'm saying now. On your phone, there is always a notes, whether you are using Android or you are using iPhone. So you will be needing that notes. Don't just go to your dialogue and copy it directly to the AI generator. So don't just copy the dialogue and go to your AI video generator. So this is my own notes now. This is where I usually copy my prompts before I paste it to my video generator. So let me go and copy my dialogue now. Now this is my dialogue, right? Now let me copy all my dialogue now. Copy all my dialogue. Now this is the dialogue for scene 1 now because you want to generate the video. Then first of all, copy it inside your notes. That notes. Now Victoria is in the picture, that means in that image, Amara is there and David is there. But those AI generator doesn't know them and they cannot differentiate them. So you have a work to do here. And another thing, you will be able to put, maybe you want Nigerian accent, you want British accent. Now let me show you what I'm trying to say now. This is the image of that C1 now. In the picture, this is Amara wearing a cream color clothes. This is the David wearing a suit. This navy color. This is the mother of David wearing green. Now let's go back to the prompts that we copied inside our notes. Now Victoria, which is the mother of David. Now you see how I bracket it now. I said the woman wearing an expensive emerald green Nigerian inspired luxury crown. So now the AI generator will be able to differentiate it now. Now as for Amara, the girl wearing cream blouse and dark tailored trouser, the AI generator will be able now to differentiate now. Now this is for David now. I said David is the man wearing an expensive dark navy suit and a white shirt. Since I've differentiated now, if I copy this prompt now to any AI generator, it will be able to differentiate them. Now, maybe now you want a particular, maybe you want Nigerian accent, you want British accent. Now, you can just add it like in brackets. They speak Nigerian and English. Then always put it like this, not PG, because sometimes all these video generator usually do more than themselves. So not PG. So just quote it like this. Then if you copy it like this now, you'll be able to generate the video very well. But I do not want to write they speak Nigerian English. I'm okay like this. Having done that, then copy that prompt, the prompt we have been able to edit it. And note that you can't copy everything at once. Once you copy everything at once on any AI generator, it will be saying rubbish. So don't let your words too much. So now let me copy from where he said Amara, I will give you one chance, to that place, and let me copy to this place now. So it won't be too much for the AI generator to process. Now let me copy this part now. Then come to this interface of Flow AI. Now I've set it to video now. We use an image the other time. Now this is video now. Then set it to 16:9. Then everything is set now. Then paste it. Once you paste it, then click on the plus sign. Then upload that image of the first thing that we downloaded the other time. I taught you how to upload the image already. So where is the image now? Let me search for the image. Now this is the image now. Then add it. Let us wait. It is loading now. Let us wait. The image has been added now. Just click on it. It will show up here. Now it has shown up now. Now the next is to click on send. Now it is generating now. Let us wait and see our video now. One thing about AI is that you might give it the prompt the first time and be saying another thing. Just do it again. So you just need to be patient with AI. AI can make mistake most of the time. So let us wait for it to generate. Now our video has been generated. Let us see, maybe it says what we prompt it to say. Now wait, let us hear it out.
Amara, I will give you one chance to walk away from my son. I don't understand. You will understand when you see what's inside.
Now this is correct now. Then we've generated that part of Sewona. So click on the arrow here and click on this original size. Then it will download inside your phone. Now let us copy the other parts. This is where we stopped the other time. We stopped at Amara. Okay, look at the document. Then we started. Okay, we'll start here. We'll start copy another one from here. So David say, Victoria is, what are you doing? And David, the man wearing his shoes. The mom. Let us copy to this place now again. You see now that we did not copy much, the AI generator generated the video very well. Now go back, then click here, then come back here again, paste it, paste the prompt, click on this plus sign, then add that image. Now generate it again. This another one now. Let us wait. It is generating already. Now it has generated. So let us check it out. Let us check it out. Let us check it out.
Mom, what are you doing?
David, stay out of this. Amara.
Now see everything now. You see it's perfect now. because we did not copy too much prompt, and we have prompted it, we edit the prompt it gave us. Now just click on download here again, click here, then wait for it to download onto your phone.